I'm trimming this back a 1/4 inch like the instructions say, but the instructions, like I said before, quite different. You look at the pictures, see what they're doing. Like in this one, they have that hole there, so I'm pretty sure they're using 2 different cars. Here, there's 2 holes there, so what the heck? And then cutting this thing, so you can put an adjustment screw to go in and out. Here, they show it underneath the door lip, where they're drilling the hole. But here, it's above. So yeah, definitely 2 different cars. So I'm just trudging my way through this thing. And then I gotta trim that off of there, up in here. So they don't really tell you how to attach that, but I'll figure it out. Okay, well, let's see. I've been busy getting these all cleaned up, making sure every rollers roll. I got everything greased up, works fine. Got this stuff all trimmed to fit. Got the channel in there, and I'm getting the inside bracket here put in, and they could have gave me a little bit more on there, so it'll be close there. I'm holding these on with Clecos. I don't know if any of you guys have those. They're great. I'll show you how they work here. So what you do is you drill your hole, and these are the Clecos. You got the pliers. Pull it in. Put it in the hole. Release it. And it holds it in place. So great for, they came out of the airplane industry for holding the panels all together before they riveted them. And it great in the automotive business. So anyway, like I said, I'm struggling along in this thing, and like I said, the instructions are vague. So I've been trying to interpret that stuff. And I'll get this thing going, and I'll show when I adjust the window, make it sure it fits. Well, I got the windows in. I'm not going to tell you how many hours I have getting these things in there, but a lot of time, a lot of cutting and fit. Now the other problem I'm finding, this here, these are the pieces that they give me, and they're quite a bit wider than the door, as you can see. So I went online, pulled up Healey kit cars and looked, and they're all thin. Every one of them I could find was thin. So I've got plenty of aluminum stock here, so I'll maybe break that stuff up and polish it and put it on in there. And then these things, the ones in the book are fiberglass, and they don't even look the same. So again, go online, just you get very small glimpses of how they're installed in there. So these things, I've been sanding this bottom down to get it to fit to line up here, so it'll swing in. So anyway, that's what I'm working on now, and I'll keep chugging along, and I'll show you whatever I decide to make for these things. So stay tuned, I guess. Okay, well, I've got this secured here and fitted fairly good. Now I'm securing I'm actually, this here is a trim piece for the back side of it. So anyway, what I'm doing with that, I'm scribed it and I'm filing it so it'll fit good in there. And anyway, I don't know if you can see it, I've got the little scribe line in there. So once I get that done, it's looking pretty good. Anyway, I'll keep filing this down till it fits good, and then screw it in and go to start on the other side over there. I haven't even started over there. This has all been a learning process. So anyway, once I get this all done, that side will go really fast.